Today I will be reading Psalm 4, an evening prayer. Answer me when I pray to you, my God, who does what is right. Lift the load that I carry. Be kind to me and hear my prayer. People, how long will you turn my honor into shame? You love what is false, and you look for new lies. You know that the Lord has chosen for himself those who are loyal to him. The Lord listens when I pray to him. When you are angry, do not sin. Think about these things quietly as you go to bed. Do what is right as a sacrifice to the Lord, and trust the Lord. Many people ask, who will give us anything good? Lord, be kind to us, but you have made me very happy. I am happier than they are, even with all their grain and wine. I go to bed and sleep in peace. Lord, only you keep me safe.